Good morning everyone. We continue the rest of the part respiration in organisms. Okay. So previous day we learn about the process of breathing. Now move to the page number 112. Okay. That is, there are air around us various types of unwanted particles such as smoke, dust, pollen, etc. when we inhale. So you know that when you inhale oxygen or any gases, with the oxygen so many dust particles, because the environment is always polluted nowadays, so many butt particles, lead, pollen grains, dust particles, all are also get inside along with the air inside your body. Okay. The particles get trapped into the air present in our nasal cavity. So in our nostril nasal cavity there is small hair like structures are present that get trapped inside that. Okay. However, sometimes these particles may get past the hair in the nasal cavity. This may irritate the lining of the cavity, as a result of which we sneeze. Sneeze expels these foreign particles from the inhaled air and a dust free clean air enters into the body. Okay. So particles get past here in the nasal cavity, they may irritate the lining of the cavity, as a result we sneeze. Okay. So why we sneeze? Why do we sneeze? Because this is the cause of that the dust particles, pollen grains, some small particles are also get inside with the air inside our nasal cavity. Some particles get trapped into the air of our nostrils, but sometimes they get inside the body and that feels irritated. Okay. So that's why you can sneeze. And when it get inside the body, that is also foreign particle, they unknown particles to your body. So they cannot fight against this type of particles. They are, when that get inside your body, the WBC, they are also start to fight against this type of particles. So that some inflammation occurs in our body, that causes allergy also. Okay. This may irritate the lining of the cavity, as a result of which we sneeze. Sneeze expels those foreign particles from the inhaled air and dust free clean air enters our body. When we sneeze, you should cover your nose so that foreign particles you expel are not inhaled by the other persons. Okay. So air around us various types of unwanted particles such as smoke, dust, pollen, etc. we inhale. Particle gets trapped in the air present in our body. Why we can repair only oxygen gas, why not other gases? Respire only oxygen. I have already told you that the oxygen is very much abundant in your environment and that can easily get by the animals due to the cells that present, but the hydrogen, nitrogen, that they cannot, they forms the other nitrates forms in the environment. Oxygen you can get in the pure form in the environment. Okay. So that's why you can take the oxygen easily, carbon dioxide, but not the other gases. They are present in the pure form. It is a chemical structure are present, you cannot understand that time, that mixed another gases mixed with the other gases and they form oxide form, nitrate form. So that's why you cannot take these gases directly from the environment. Okay. Sneeze expels the foreign particles from the inhaled air and dust free clean air enter our body. So when you sneezing, the foreign particles, the unwanted particles get rid from your body. So when you sneeze, you should cover your nose so that foreign particles you expose are inhaled, not that person. So obviously it's a good habit. When you sneeze, when you yawn, big yawn, when you up the yawn, then you just cover your mouth. So that's why the viruses, germs or any type of unwanted particles that is harmful for your body cannot get inside the, do not enter inside the other's body. You should careful about that. Okay. Smoking damage lungs. Smoking is also linked to cancer. It must be avoided. Obviously, smoking is very much injurious to health because it also the tobacco that is and the gases that get inside the lungs, that is very much harmful for our body, that may causes cancer. So, smoking always avoided. Everyone was boasting, he and she expand the maximum. Note down. Activity 10.4, take a deep breath. Okay, measure the size of the chest with a measuring tape. Obviously, when you taking breath or when you inhale, your chest size will be expanded. Okay, that time you measure these sizes. Okay. And another, record your observation in the table, measure the size of the chest again when expanded and indicate the classmate shows the maximum expansion of the chest. Okay. So, why do you want Olympic? Your body, I have already told that the feelings of the hungry, young, thirsty, all need to our body get energy. Okay. This is the symptom or sign, your body want to tell you that I am tired, just we need food, we need water, we need energy, just take some rest or give me some rest for some times. Okay, when you get sometimes sleep, when you take some food, when you take some water, you all are next you always feeling refreshed. Okay, that's why we can feel different types of the feelings. Okay. We understand the mechanism of breathing a simple model. Take wide plastic bottle, remove the bottle, Y-shaped glass and plastic tube, make a hole in the lid so that tube may be passed through it. Take two fork, end the tube to the defed balloons and introduce the tube into the bottle. Now cap the bottle, seal it to make airtight. To open the base of the bottle, tie in a thin rubber plastic using the rubber band. Okay. So, you have seen that there is some bottle like structure. You can take a one plastic bottle, this type of structure, you can take this shape, you just cover that part with rubber and you just take, there is some fork and just lungs like structure, cork you can take cork and you just, there is this type of structure and you take two balloons here. Okay, and here is an one handle you can attach that. When you expand this structure, the balloon will be swell up. Okay, and when you get inside that balloons, when there is the less amount of air is present, that will be shrink. Okay. So, to understand the expansion of lungs, pull the rubber sheet. When you pull the rubber sheet, there is the expansion occurs. So, large amount of air get inside through this structure, and when you push up, it is air goes outside that and that will be shrink. Okay. The same function occurs inside your lungs. Why do the balloons in this model represent? What does the rubber sheet represent? Now you should be able to explain the mechanism of breathing. Take a cylinder, clean test tube or glass plastic bottles, make a hole in its lids and fix it on the bottle. Pour some freshly prepared lime water in the test tube, insert a plastic straw through the hole in the lid in such a way that it dips in the lime water. Now blow gently through the straw a few times. Is there a change in appearance of lime water? Clean test tube or glass plastic, make a hole and lid fixed into the bottle. Pour some freshly pure lime water in the test tube, inside a plastic straw through the hole and such a way dips in the lime water. Now blow. So, you just take a bottle, some lime water, that is polychun, you can also say in Bengali, just blow that, you can saw that the water became milky white. Okay. Now blow gently, change its appearance, you can explain that in the basis you can. You are aware that inhale or exhale in the maximum of gases. Why do we exhale? Do we exhale only carbon dioxide or maximum gases along with it? You must also observe. You take Hiccups Tanisha because there is the less amount of oxygen present in your body needs more oxygen. So, that is why you take Hiccups. Okay. That time we can take water so much because the water molecule get inside your body and it break down into the hydrogen and oxygen and your body gets oxygen large amount. Okay. The percentage of oxygen dioxide in inhaled and exhaled air. So, inhaled air oxygen 21% and exhaled air that is carbon dioxide 16.4%, okay, and inhaled air carbon dioxide 0.04%. Just remind that the percentage of oxygen and carbon dioxide in inhaled and exhaled air, okay. Lungs, that is inhaled air or exhaled air, do you smoking our lungs break down into liquid form alcohol? It is also, ma'am, due to smoking our lungs break down into alcohol form. No, breakdown not is breakdown. There is some cancer disease occurs in your lungs. Breakdown is not right. Inhale and exhale. Inhaled and exhaled air, oxygen 21% O2 and exhaled air 16.4% CO2 and 0.04% CO2 and 4.4% CO2. Okay, so inhaled air and exhaled air O2 16.4%, okay. So inhaled air oxygen 21% and exhaled air oxygen 16.4%. Inhaled air carbon dioxide 0.04% and exhaled air carbon dioxide 4.4%. Breathing in others animals. So this type of breathing occurs in the human body or any higher animals, but others animals, how do they breathe? Animals such elephants, lions, cows, goats, frogs, lizards, snakes, birds have lungs in their chest cavity like the human being. So these types of animals can breathe in this such way. How do the organism breathe? Do they also have lungs in the human beings? Cockroach. A cockroach has small openings side of its body, okay, and other insects also have the similar openings. So cockroach is also an insect, so that's why the cockroach and other insects, they have the small openings or holes inside of their body. These openings are called spiracles, okay. So what is spiracles? The openings that presents in the, what is spiracle? What is spiracles? So the openings that present the side of the body of the insect is called spiracles. Insects have a network of air tubes called trachea for gaseous exchange. Oxygen rich air rushes through the spiracles into the tracheal tube, diffuse into the body tissue and reaches every cell to the body. So through the openings the air get inside the body, there is trachea is present, air go through the trachea and reach to the every parts of the body. Similarly, carbon dioxide from cell goes into the tracheal tubes and moves out through spiracles. These air tubes or trachea are found only in insects and not in other groups of the animals. Okay, this is only found in the insects and especially cockroach, not in the others body. Okay, and earthworm, recall from chapter 9, and you know that earthworm, they respire through their skin. So that's why they need the moisture, because if they can dry, they will be died. Okay. So that's why you can see the earthworm when get outside of their burrows, they when the in the sun rays they get dyed, because the moisture that present in their skin, that will be dyed. When that is dyed, they will dry, they will be dyed. Okay. So, the breathe through their skin, the skin of an earthworm feel moist and slimy touching, gases can easily pass through them, though frogs have a pair of lungs like human beings. So, frog can respire through the lungs in the adult form, but in the tadpoles they can respire through the gills. Okay. They can also breathe through their skin, which is the moist and slippery. So, frogs has two types of the breathing organ, one is the lungs, another is the skin. Okay. So, this is up to for the today. We will continue the rest of the part in our next video. Okay. Thank you so much everyone. Stay safe everyone.